Jealousy is always considered as a really cynical emotion. But to be honest, for me, it has worked so well.
What did you get to do?
It motivates me. So every time my friend learns something new, I just get this innate urge to perform better. And it's probably why I've landed up in my dream college. So, do you think that jealousy is actually a negative emotion, or does it motivate you to do better?
See, these days, fortunately, it's gone. When we were growing up, especially Diwali is coming, when Diwali comes, in small towns, one of the fun that people have is, they will make a can full of, what to say, the firecrackers and tie it to a donkey's tail. When it goes dum dum dum, poor donkey runs all over the place faster than a horse. You think that's the way to motivate life? There are better and more intelligent ways of doing things. Well, when you feel like your tail is burning, you may run. People always use this thing, if a dog is chasing you, you will run really fastest. But Mr. Bolt, you know Mr. Bolt? He did not run because his tail is on fire. He runs because he prepared his legs and lungs in such a way, whichever way he runs, he is faster than everybody. Hello? Isn't that the way to run? You want to run because a dog is chasing you, you want to run because your tail is on fire, is that the way you want to run? No, that's not a pleasant way to run. See, one thing is important that you run fast. Another thing is that your experience of running is fantastic. Isn't that important? Hello? Well, you got into your dream college, but it could be hell, 3 years of hell, who knows? Is it not important that these 3 years are a fantastic experience for you? Huh? Not important? Running is not the only important thing, how you experience it, what comes out of it tomorrow. Suppose we ran because our tail is on fire, now we understand the only way to make people run is to set their tails on fire, how much damage we will cause to everybody. And I've seen these donkeys running faster than a racehorse because they're terrified. That's not the way to run. Please don't do that to yourself, not anymore, okay? Now the dream has come true.
So Guru, now